This video is about removing the browser hijacking extension called Press Tab. Press Tab is a browser hijacking extension attacking Google Chrome and other Chromium-based browsers. This particular extension is often spread through being integrated with a lot of free applications. So in most of the cases, users download and install it absolutely unintentionally. If this Press tab was somehow installed into your computer, make sure you undertake the measures and get rid of it immediately. So access the menu, go to Extensions, Manage Extensions, and then remove this Press tab extension from the list. Also remove any other junk extensions. Finally, I recommend you to research your computer additionally with Combo Cleaner antivirus, which you may get on the official page combocleaner.com. Use the green download button, install the application, and start carefully researching the system to detect and remove other infections. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on the Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.